Hello, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel with another Oh Do You Know. I just didn't feel like getting on the bike and going for a ride and doing Oh Do You Know, so we just do it here. Run that intro of the Blue Bike Doors channel, presenting Oh Do You Know. Oh, do you know that my Mississippi stick looks like it's bent? But anyway, oh, do you know June was named after Juno, the goddess of Juno, or Juno, the goddess of the patroness of marriage and childbirth, Juno. Yeah, June was named after it. Yeah, What am I doing? Oh, do you know June was for a long time was only the 4th month of the year. June was up to Julius Caesar changed it. It wasn't but 10 months to Julius Caesar. I guess the Roman calendar was only 10 months to Julius Caesar. Caesar. Ain't he that monkey off of Planet of the Apes? Anyway, he changed it to the 6th month. June was 4th month for a long time. Yeah. What am I doing now? Weeble wobble, but it don't fall down. Oh, do you know that June is has the longest or the shortest day of the year? It's either the longest day or and the shortest day. June has both, depending on which hemisphere you are in. If you're in the north, it's the longest. If you're in the south, it's the shortest. Oh, do you know that? Oh, did you? Oh, do you know the troubles I've been through? Oh, do you know they still paving Sedman Road? I made me a tape measure holder. There was some scrap pieces. I even painted it. Speaking of paint, yeah. Oh, that's it. Oh, do you know? Oh no, June. Oh, do you know June is national? What is it? National? It's National Ocean Day. National Ocean Month, I should say. It's also National Great Outdoors. But in the UK, it's National. June is National Smile Month. It's a smile. Cheese. Let me. Oh, do you know dates in June? We all know these days. June 6th. June 19th is June 10th day. 10th is June 19th. That's the day the slavery got freed, or I can't think of the word it's called, but if you yeah, anyway, June 10th day. That's a new holiday. It came out last month. But oh, do you know June 1st is Flip a Coin Day and Go Barefoot Day, and it's also Pirate Day. Arr, matey. Ooh. Oh, do you know? I dropped my list. Oh, do you know? We done did June 1st. How about June 3rd is National Egg Day? It's Egg Day. Egg a person. Eat an egg. Eat an egg sandwich. Eat an egg custard. Boil an egg. There's a lot you can do with egg. I don't know. Just June 3rd is National Egg Day. June 4th is National Hug a Cat Day. if you like cats. I don't like cats. Cats are evil. I like doggies, puppy dogs, and all. Yeah. Anyway, June 4th is National Hug a Cat Day. That's for Blackphoenix Entertainment. He loves them kitties. June 6th is D-Day. We should know that, D-Day. But June 7th is National Doughnut Day. Oh, me. June 9th is... let's see. I bet it's Donald Duck Day. That's best I could do. You could do it good. Anyway, June 9th is Donald Duck Day. So go watch Donald Duck and Daisy Duck and what was them kids' names? Quacky, I don't know. Anyway, National Donald Duck Day. Donald Duck. Okay, but June 9th is a good one. It's a National Peanut Butter Cookie Day. Yummy. Unless you got a peanut allergy, then I guess you just do without. Anyway, moving along. June 14th is Mr. McStache should know this one. What is June 14th, Mr. McStache?
Hello.
Hey, I got a. You been recording in a live studio audience? I okay?
I am.
Yeah, well, in my mind you are. But,
oh, okay.
Hey, do you know what June 14th is?
June 14th.
Yes, sir.
Juneteenth?
No, June 14th. June 19th is June 10th Day.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, come on. You should know this one. You're a veteran.
No, I don't know what June 14th is.
Well, I'll be dog. I thought you would have. It's June 14th is U.S. Army's birthday.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Well, I guess you did. You do that now. You do that down.
Yep. I know that now.
All righty then. That's all I got for you.
That's all you got.
It's the U.S. Army's birthday, June 14th, and it's also Flag Day, National Flag Day. June 21st is National Yard Game, so let's bring back the yard darts. National Yard Game Days. So that's the only dart game you can think of to play in the yard. I guess you could do badminton or stuff like that, but yard darts, I guess you could do cornhole. Yard darts. We used to have a set. I don't know what Mama and them did with it. We missing one. Missing a dart. Anyway, National 21st is National Game Day. I just said that. But how about June 24th? It's National UFO Day. Yep. Area 51 be hopping that day. National UFO Day. June 30th is a good one. National Food Truck Day is June 30th. That's all I got for you. National Day. National. Hey y'all, I forgot to got to talking to Mr. McStache and I forgot to close out the video. So you can go check out that video right about there. Oh, do you know videos, and, oh, maybe you learned something. And check out that one right about there. Go check out my subscribe button, it's free. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.